How to change the font style of captions in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the font style of captions, generated captions in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and you can see I have already added up the project, and you can see these captions will be already generated. Now if I wanted to change the font style, because it's simple, so if I wanted to change the font style of this text, I can just simply tap right here on this text, and then after tapping here you can see this style. So just tap right here on the style option. So after tapping on it, you can see the size option. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you will have to drag this circle. Now if you want to change the font, so you will have to select any of the font from there. Let me select this. Now if you want to change the color of your added text, you will have to tap on the color. If you want to change the background, you will have to select any of the color. And if you change the format, it will be bold, italic and underline and center line, and you can see the changes while tapping on them. Now you can also create the outline, and you can make the shadow in fact also. So you can see you can change any of the style as per your desire in YT Create application of the caption. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.